Hello everybody and welcome back to another exciting episode of me playing some games. I am going to be playing Crispy Puppy. I don't have any clue what this game is about. There was a bundle on Steam and I just bought the bundle and this was one of the games that was included in it. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go. Wasad is moving. Left mouse button to shoot and R to reload. Collect all notes. Okay, great, cool. I have a gun. Do I? I hope I start with a gun. Enter to start. That's so weird. Oh, that's fucking... What the... Oh, no, I don't want to turn that shit off. What the fuck? This is... Wait. My God. Sorry. I need to turn my phone to a vibration. Alright, anyway. Here we go. Collect all notes. So this is like... So far, it just feels like Slender Man with a gun. I'm Slender Man Hunter. I have a gun, which is cool. I'm glad I have a gun. I don't know. It automatically makes these games less scary when I can potentially blow something away. The fuck is that? Oh, it's a tree. I don't... I mean, obviously there's something in this game that I have to shoot. Is it a crispy... The fuck was that? Is it a crispy puppy? Better not come out of here and running at me. Hello? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Fucking A. Ooh. Uh-oh. Crispy puppy? I can't see! Is that it? Ha! Okay, I guess I killed it. Is that it? Okay. That really was not scary at all. What is that? Why is my thingy clicking? It's like a lot of shots though, unfortunately. So if another one shows up, I'm kind of fucked. Hello. Ooh, more ammo. Shit. Uh-oh. Jesus, he got close. I don't have any more guns. Ammo, I mean. Oh, he's hitting me. I died. I lost. Escape. Play again. Collect all notes. Here we go, and we're on. We're running. We're running. Why does it do that? I know there's a note down here. Is it every time I collect ammo? See, because every time I collect ammo, he seems to appear. Or I guess it was just coincidence. 8. Okay, so this is definitely Slender Man kind of stuff. Oh, there's another note. The fuck was that? E. I'm hearing shit down here. This always happens every time I play fucking scary games. I hear shit. Why is it clicking? What is happening? Is that my fucking... Is that him getting closer or some shit? Huh. Oh. I mean, are there more notes around here that I'm not seeing? Boxes. Boxes and bags. Oh! Oh! Eat lead! Haha. Killed you. Ah, more ammo, thank God. I only have 2. Why do I only have 2? Is that how much ammo I've collected? Like, how much ammo Is there like a way to see how much ammo I have total? Another note. I've got 3. Oh look, something new. You better not be here. Oh yes. Ammo heaven. Can it go through these boxes? Because I might need to use them to like... Oh, I can go through the boxes. Okay. What's in these boxes? Can I like break them open or something? Alright, no idea. Let's get out of here. I feel like I'm gonna get trapped. There it is. Come on, bitch. Come on. Ah! Killed it. How many of these things are out here?
Is that the crispy puppy? Is that what it is?
Or is that its minions? The world may never know. Yeah, I'm just looking up to make sure that my recording looks good. Make sure everything's good. It didn't freeze. I can't fight another one if it shows up because I don't have any ammo enough to fight it. So I really hope I don't get messed up. Ah, more ammo. 4. I think I need only 4 shots to kill it. Last time it seemed like it took 5. And then it took 4. Okay, never mind. I'm stupid. The first time I killed it, it seems like it took a lot more shots. That's what I meant to say. Trees. More trees. Okay, we're good. Hey. Boy. Uh-oh. I hear it, but I don't know where it is. Aha! There you are. Boom! Come on, bitch. 4? Yep, 4 shots. But I'm completely out of ammo. I have... What was that? Is there a way... I can't check my inventory. Yeah, scooted back here. There we go. Ah, more ammo. So it takes 4 shots to kill it. And I only have 2. We're in trouble. We're in big, big trouble. This thing is not scary. Man. I keep hearing shit around my house. Every time I'm playing scary games, I always hear shit. It's fucked up. I did get that note, didn't I? Sure fucking hope so. Oh, another one. 5. Only need 3 more. Oh, look, there's another one. 6. Please don't show up. I'm doing so good. More ammo. Oh. Alright, I got enough to put another one down. I don't like that. Barely see. How many more? Do I just need 2 more notes? And I win? Uh-oh. Oh! Killed it! I need to find the last 2 notes. Oops. Well, I should not have used... I mean, I guess that wouldn't really have done much, but... Ah! There's another one. 1 more. I gotta find 1 fucking more. Come on, baby. Don't do this to me. I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh! Shit! I'm in trouble. I am in trouble. I'm in trouble. Please don't. Come on. Run. Be able to run. Get away from it. I just need to find that last note. It's right on my ass. It's on my ass. There's shotgun ammo. Oh, bullshit! I shouldn't have fucking done that. Fuck. Oh well. I'm done. This game's not scary. I was hoping it would be scarier. So that's gonna be it for this episode. I'm gonna play the other two. One of them's Choppy Head, and I can't remember what the last one is. But I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that kind of fun stuff. Goodbye.